Welcome to Diamond Protec's NanoDiamond composite coatings. You've selected Diamond Body 36, our 3-year kit for extended body surface performance and protection. This Diamond Body 36 kit includes prep and application supplies that are specifically selected to provide the highest quality performance. This does not require professional experience. This combination of products will remove all polish residues, waxes and sealants before applying amazing hydrophobic protection that will last for up to 3 years. This kit includes Diamond Body Prep with a spray head, Diamond Body 36, our revolutionary nanodiamond coating, an applicator, a microfiber towel and a pair of gloves. Diamond Body Prep is applied in 4 very simple steps. Prepare the surfaces by washing and decontaminating. Shake the bottle well, spray onto the surface area, and wipe down with a clean microfiber cloth. Diamond Body 36 is applied in 4 easy steps. Drip onto applicator, apply evenly to the surface of 3 to 4 vehicle elements, allow to bond for 10 to 15 minutes, and polish off the excess with a microfiber towel. Your vehicle is now protected, ready for the road, and will stay protected for up to 3 years. Mastering the mixing of enriched nanodiamonds for over 7 years, Diamond Protec has created evenly distributed diamond armored elastic coating with inherent hydrophobic characteristics, offering cars a new revolutionary coating option. It is heat resistant, UV resistant, water repellent, and provides the highest surface hardness and abrasion resistance that technology can offer. It also resists corrosion because it's inorganic, thereby having a slower erosion time than any other competitive product. This is the new generation of car protection, exterior and interior. For full step-by-step instructions on how to apply Diamond Body 36, click the link below.